We're here.
We're here. I'm becoming a dad with my partner. It's like how happy we look.
So happy.
Upper echelon, your girlfriends won't tag along. This the new wave, man. Get with it or get lost.
Now I want one of these guys. You guys see the color? I don't know exactly which one it is. This one's pretty cool. Oh, was it that one?
No, I think you're looking at these ones.
These guys are cool to know. These guys, because they have more spots and stuff on their tails. See how fast they swim? All my kids are athletes. That's all my kids are athletes. So follow us this way. So one nigga here really wants this frog. So lit.
There's like so many of them.
I know.
Look at this little guy. Look at these little guys. Let me show you guys the goldfishes. The goldfishes here are insane. They're actually insane. I love goldfishes. Steven would have wanted a goldfish, but I want to get a goldfish. So. But look at these. They're huge. Like, that's my hand. And that's they're huge. I love them.
I'm still thinking one of those really big goldfishes. That'd be cool.
It would not fit you. I need like a 40-gallon tank for like one. People don't even keep those in tanks. They keep them in ponds.
They're so big.
Is that the one, Steven?
That's like the whitest one.
The nicest one. So it's one of these guys. Is Calico?
I think I had that one. I had one of these guys.
Alright, he's gonna go in his own bag.
And the midnight.
Just right over here. Male or female? Males are the ones with the nice mohawks.
Oh, so the male.
Alright.
It's finally happening. How do you
Definitely
feel?
this guy. I'm so
Oh my
happy
God.
when we get kids today, guys. Do you guys think I'll be a great father? Comment below.
He's not gonna be a great dad.
Yeah. Now, both of us have kids. So now we need to get the home and get the food. So where's Renisha?
Yeah, look, this one's white as fuck.
Same. The white and the black as fuck.
Huh?
I'm getting the white and the black as fuck.
This one's cool though. Where's Misha?
So what home should I get?
Huh?
These are all the homes. I don't know what home to put them in.
Oh, I'm telling you, just get bigger plants.
But I feel like a centerpiece is needed, no? Because you saw my thing, right? Saw my aquarium is bright as fuck, yo.
Yeah.
I feel like I want to keep that theme of color.
The location that we've gone to has told us like something completely
They
different.
keep adding more and more stuff on.
Yeah, like first they were like, oh, just get one of the.
We got fish!
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, they're kind of hard to see right now.
Let's rinse the castle.
Hey everybody, Renisha here with some fish facts. Before you put any decorations of sort, such as this castle, into your fish tank, you should always give it a good rinse. Just to get up any dust and dirt that may be.
You fucked up! You
got the stutter.
Gotta go!
So guys, this is how you rinse. You turn on the water and you rinse. Bam.
Yo, damn, this shit hurts my eyes.
Right, no?
It's bright as
I don't know where to
fuck.
put this.
Just hold it for now. It's descending.
Yo, you can actually be like Rick
You want
Ross.
to move it a bit more that way? Or are you putting it right there?
For my kids, you guys will eat nicely. This is marine pellets. You gotta eat this for a month.
Week.
A week. Oh, sorry.
I know it says marine pellets, but the guy gave it to us because there's garlic in it, and
There's vampires, so we're protecting the fish from the vampires.
Apparently it cleans up the system. But
Yeah.
first, before we put the fish in, guys, we have to cleanse it out. We have to put bacteria in.
Did you say 1 cap or 3
He
caps?
said 3 cups, because apparently it's brand new. Thank you.
Yo, what does cat mean again? Remember we googled it?
Cap?
Cat, remember? Cap.
Oh yeah, because we were watching a show.
Yeah, no, some Insta shit.
Yeah, we were watching a show. So let's do this. Put some drugs in here. Damn, boy, this kind of a little sticky. Sponsor me for more fish stuff.
Fish. So just to let you guys know, the leading cause of death in fishes is called new tank syndrome. And it's when you take your fishes and you go whoop, and they just go inside the tank, and then they get really scared because they're like, oh, it's a new environment, and then they die. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take them in their little bags, and you're just gonna Put them in like that. Yeah.
Can you open the bag or anything?
You can wait to open the bag. You just kind of let them float. There's other babies.
What?
So this is upgrade to the tank.
Cannibalize their babies.
Wait, what?
So we named him over there Nervous Ned.
Yeah, because he's a bitch, but he's getting pretty
He's getting out there though. He's getting out there.
Yeah, Momo's being really shy though.
And Momo is the black one all the way over there. That's Momo. He's not doing much. And this is our superior, the white Halima. She's been going in. She's eating. She's swimming.
She like